Hey guys! So this vlog is about my IG story and I believe na itong application is hindi na ganun kabago, pero I hope to share this to some of you na hindi pa alam tong application. And na-discover ko lang siya last night. It's free on App Store and Google Play Store. So sobrang ganda niya. And let's get started! So guys, kailangan nyo yung application na named Unfold. This is free for you guys. So pag open nyo, may makita kayong mga CS1, CS2, CS3, and FF1. Ang CS1 lang yung free dito guys. Unfortunately, kailangan nyo bilhin yung CS2, CS3, and FF1. And I tried looking for an APK format kung saan gagawin yung free, pero wala akong makita. So kailangan ko pang bilhin yung CS2 hanggang FF1. By the way, if you'll buy this, hindi ka naman lalagpas ng 220 pesos. It's below. So, sulit naman siya kasi ang gaganda talaga ng layouts here, and I will show you guys this layout. So, as you can see sa Unfold ko, ang dami ko nang na-practice kagabi since nga kagabi ko lang siya na-discover. So, pag open mo na Unfold, you're gonna make a story. Name your story any name you want. So, I'll name mine Gian Monique. Then, pag open mo, you can see this CS1, CS2, CS3, FF1. And just like I told you, binili ko tong tatlo kasi nga sulit naman siya and hindi naman ganun kamahalan. So, ang favorite ko is the FF1 series kasi ang gaganda ng layouts niya. Like, may mga Instagram photos, Instax photos na naka-layout na for you. And I love Instax talaga. So, I'd pick one. For instance, ito. This one. Then, I'd pick one photo. So, let's select one photo. So, let's say this one. Then, if you're gonna save your photo, just click this arrow up here, or story or page anywhere, mag-save naman yan sa gallery mo. So, I'd go to my Instagram, then magpa-pop up na siya agad. There. Then, when I do my Instagram stories, I always use the typewriter. So, let's just name this channel. Then, I usually do this like that. So, ganun lang siya kadali guys. Sobrang bilis lang. So, I will be showing you more layouts from Unfold. So, let's use from FF1. Ito maganda to kasi parang siyang film. Or, you can do multiple layouts pala. For instance, ganyan. Para sabay-sabay mo na siya save. There, you have that. This, that. So, sobrang dami mong pagpipilian if you're that type of person na mahilig mag-IG story. I do recommend this application. And if bibilin mo, sulit naman talaga siya. Kasi aminin na natin, mas marami nang nag-IG story ngayon kumpara sa nagpo-post mismo sa IG. Kasi sa IG story, hindi mo naman kailangan ng feed. You just have to share the things you want na, or yung mga ginagawa mo sa buhay. Now, for my next IG story, ang pinili ko is from FF1 ulit. And this is the double Instax photo na magkapatong. And I love saving photos from Pinterest pala, lalo na pag OOTD. Dito ako naghahanap ng mga para ideas when it comes to themes or sa parties na mga pinupuntahan. Oh yes, party. So, itong dalawang pinili ko. It's like a classic white and black look. Then, I would save it sa story. Then, after saving, pupunta ulit ako sa IG ko. Then I would just make some quotes or anything you want. So let's say OOTD ideas. Then when you're done, you can be creative as you want. Here na sa IG, you can put GIF, mga labels as many as you want. It's your IG naman, so got nothing to say. Now, here sa Unfold, marami rin naman ng free sa CS1 and magaganda rin yung layout. So, kukuha tayo ng isa dito. Let's say this one. So, here sa middle, I will use my photo. Let's say this photo. So, you can zoom in, zoom out anywhere you want. Let's say right there. Then, sa outside, you can pick any photo ulit. So, let's say this bricks yellow para same theme. So, you can re-edit this. privacy, ganyan. Then, I would save this photo again. So, this application is sobrang sulit, sobrang bilis gamitin, and hindi mo na kailangan mag-re-edit sa Instagram mo. So, I would pick that photo and put some stickers, location, hashtags, questions, and it's Sunday, guys. So, let's see, like that. I don't know, just be creative in doing this. And sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako. And nahihilig na rin ako sa pag-post sa IG story kumpara sa IG ko mismo. Anyways, guys, that's it. Ganun lang kabilis tong video na to because shinare ko lang sa inyo yung na-discover ko last night. And I hope you would have fun in your IG stories kasi aminin na natin, mas marami na nag-IG stories. So, be creative. And if you're the type of person na mahilig talaga mag-post sa IG, I really do recommend the application. Sobrang sulit niya and bilhin mo na lahat kasi hindi ka naman nalagpas ng 220 pesos. And since nga mahilig naman kayo mag-post sa IG, please do follow me on Instagram. It's named Gian Monique. I will put it right here. And please do like this video, subscribe, and be a part of my Yellow Heart family. Don't forget to comment down below on what more videos. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. And this video was sobrang clutch kasi dapat ito mag-upload this week. But since natapos na namin yung thesis, we're done. So, here's the video and I hope you guys love it and see you soon. Bye!